After 7 years, a verdict has been reached in the trial of a Wilmington man accused of shooting and killing another man.
WWAY's Celeste Smith joins us now live in the newsroom with more. Hi, Celeste. Tell us more about this case.
Well, Hannah and Jeff, Antonio Beatty was arrested and charged with first-degree murder in the death of 25-year-old Carlton Whitley. Carlton Whitley was shot and killed in July of 2015 in a parking lot near the corner of Darlington and Medding Roads. After 7 years of delays, Beatty's case went to trial last week. At the end of the week-long trial, the jury reached a not guilty verdict.
Don't equate innocence with not guilty findings. Sometimes people are actually innocent, and sometimes they're not guilty, but they actually did it. And in this case, what we will say as the district attorney's office is, we do not plan on reopening up any investigation into whether someone else was involved. We remain convinced that Mr. Beatty is the person responsible for this death.
Following the verdict, Beatty has been released.
Vindicated. He's always maintained that he didn't do this and that he wanted his day in court.
According to New Hanover County's district attorney, Ben David, and Beatty's attorney, William Paragoy, the evidence presented by the state did not prove its case against Beatty beyond a reasonable doubt.
It was such a very dark crime scene that even the crime scene investigators couldn't identify other officers that were out there at the parking lot where this incident supposedly took place. Folks would take the witness stand and they would say, geez, I really don't remember that. It was so long ago, I don't recall this, I don't remember that. And then finally, last but not least, no one could really identify a reason for it.
Paragoy was one of many attorneys to take on Beatty's case, taking it over last year. That, paired with the pandemic, led to the trial's delay.
Mr. Beatty's was by far the oldest case in our criminal justice system here locally. And we gave it great priority and really wanted to try it much sooner than it has. And we think that delay is one of the reasons that we're in this position now. Because when witnesses leave town or memories fade, and this has happened not in this case but in others, witnesses die in the intervening time period like we've had before because of a delay, that obviously inures to the benefit of the defendant.
David said his office respects the jury's decision, but maintains they believe Beatty is guilty and continues to extend support to the victim's family at this time. At this time, the district attorney says there are 62 pending homicide cases in New Hanover County. Back to you.